Hello everybody. We hope you enjoy our Grand Canyon footage. It took us about 11 hours from the Bay Area to the Grand Canyon.
And today we hiked Navajo Point to Bright Angel Trailhead. It's doggy friendly with Nala, and now we found a little cutout, you could say, and we have our chair set up and we're gonna watch the sunset.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
She was dressed to kill, I was in my boots. So I had to pick for the uptown talk. Yeah, but we talked for a while in a corner booth before closing time. She caught me by surprise. She said, give me a dirt road, the windows down. You wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. She said, give me 6 packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away. Yeah, in a Chevrolet.
I think I fell in love right then and there. We were out the door before the end of the song. I said, where to? She said, I don't care. Just don't take me home.
What you waiting on? Just give me a dirt road, the windows down. You wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. She said, give me 6 packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away. Yeah, in your Chevrolet. Let's ride.
In your Chevrolet.
Lord knows I've been praying for the day
A girl like her would say,
just give me a dirt road, the windows down. Wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. She said, give me 6 packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just